The term vitamin was given by Dr. Funk in the year of 1912. In this video, we are going to learn about fat-soluble vitamins, water-soluble vitamins, and its deficiency diseases. Vitamins are naturally occurring organic substances regularly needed in minute quantities for maintaining normal healthy as metabolic regulators. The identified vitamins are classified as fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, and K, and water soluble vitamins are vitamin B and vitamin C. Vitamin A, D, E, and K, if it is consumed beyond required level, may cause defects commonly referred as hypervitaminosis. Fat soluble vitamins. Vitamin A, anti-xerophilic vitamin. It plays a vital role in visual perception and also maintenance and growth of epithelial tissue. Deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness, nyctalophia, xerophthalmia, drying of eyeballs, bi-dot spots, dermatitis, and keratoconus. It also causes atrophy of lacrimal glands and reduction in tears secretion. Vitamin D, calciferol. It promotes intestinal absorption of calcium and phosphorus, and it also used for formation of teeth and bones. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets in children and the symptoms of softness and deformities of bones and bow legs and pigeon chest. Osteomalacia in adult and the symptoms of weak facial bones, bent, deformed pelvis. Vitamin E, anti-sterility vitamin. It is an antioxidant. It keeps the skin healthy and reduces the process of aging. The deficiency of vitamin E causes sterility in animals and ruptured red blood cells. Vitamin K, anti-hemorrhagic vitamins. It is used for synthesis of prothrombin in liver. And the deficiency of vitamin K leads to defect in blood clotting called hemorrhagic manifestation. Water soluble vitamins. Vitamin B1, thiamine. It is used for involved in carbohydrate metabolism and it is also act as a coenzyme. The deficiency of vitamin B1 causes beriberi and the symptoms are affects muscular, nervous and cardiovascular system. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, it acts as coenzyme in oxidation and reduction of reaction. The symptoms of inflammation, soreness and fissure in the corners of mouth, lips and tongue, loss of appetite, skin and eye disorder. Vitamin B3, pantothenic acid, it acts as coenzyme A and is essential for metabolism of fat and carbohydrate. Deficiency of vitamin B3 causes gastrointestinal disorders, anemia, burning feet syndrome, etc. Vitamin B4, choline, it is a precursor of acetylcholine and it affects fatty liver. Vitamin B5, niacin, it is a derivative of coenzymes and deficiency of vitamin B5 leads to pellagra. It is characterized by dermatitis, diarrhea, dementia and death. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine, leads to hemoglobin formation, brain, heart and liver activities. The deficiency disease of dermatosis, convolutions, muscular twitching and anemia. Vitamin B7, biotin, it acts as coenzyme in synthesis of fat, glycogen and amino acids. It leads to dermatosis. Vitamin B9, folic acid, it acts as coenzyme for synthesis of nucleic acid and essential for growth and formation of RBC. Deficiency of vitamin B9 leads to megaloblastic anemia. It causes large immature nucleated RBC in blood. Vitamin B12, cobalamin, it promotes DNA synthesis and necessary for maturation of RBC and formation of myelin sheath. The deficiency disease of vitamin B2 is pernicious anemia, immature nucleated RBC without hemoglobin, and also causes nervous disorder. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, it acts as antioxidant, it strengthens immune system, and it is necessary for healthy gums and teeth. Deficiency of vitamin C leads to scurvy, the sailor diseases. It is characterized by spongy and bleeding gums,